200 से ज्यादा लोगों की तदफीन शहर के हमने वहां की, जिसके लिए मैं बीआरएस का केटी रामाराव साहब का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं सर. एंड दिस डजंट एंड हियर. इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, it should be corrected by the revenue secretary, and he should say that, no, Mr. Owaisi, you're saying wrong. Not only this, sir. Sir, I would like to also bring to the kind notice of the government, sir, on the representation of MIM. Sir, we said कि हैदराबाद में सुन्नी है, शिया है, मैदवी है, बोहरे है और सारे सेक्ट के लोग हैं, sir. So at that time, sir, on our representation, honorable the then chief minister, sir, he had given 125 acres, sir. 125 acres, sir. Abdullah Purmet, survey number 233, 20 acres. Tala Kondapalli, 42 acres. Kundur, 10 acres, sir. 72.22. Medchal, sir, 35 acres, sir. Shamirpet, 16 acres. And then, again, total this was 52 acres, sir. Or, sir, I have also the details, sir. If one is going to dispute with me, sir, just for the graveyards and Shadi Khana, sir, on MIM's representation, sir, Adilabad mein we had given, sir. In the village, Yalandu, sir. And Bhadadri, sir, Kuttagudam, land was given. Hanuman Kunda, Hyderabad, Jaktiyal, Jangao, Jaishankar Bopalli, Jogulamba, Gadwal, Kamareddy, Karim Nagar. Sir, I have all the details, sir. If I am wrong, I have this, sir. तो ये पूरे जमीनात खबरस्तानों के लिए दिए गए. Honorable Speaker, sir, in spite of this land being given 125 acres and this land was handed over to Waqf Board, मैं आपके जरिए रेवेन्यू मिनिस्टर से और कांग्रेस की हुकूमत से दरखास्त करता हूं कि सर जियो हो गया, लैंड भी दे दिए, वक्फ बोर्ड के पास है, इसमें डिसीजन भी ले लिया गया कि कितना सुन्नी को देंगे, कितना शिया को देंगे, कितना मेहदवी को देंगे, कितना इस्माइली बोहरास को देंगे, सब हो गया है. काइंडली आप वो जमीन कमेटीज बनाकर दे दीजिए जिसके साथ वहां पे तदफीन का आगाज हो जाएगा. और कमेटी अगर बनाएंगे तो दैट कमेटी कैन प्रोटेक्ट द लैंड विच हैज बीन अलॉटेड. एंड आई वुड ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम रिक्वेस्ट, in last 10 years, more than 400 acres were given for Shadi Khanas and Muslim graveyards. Please find out how those lands are. I would request my friends from Congress also. I have the copy of the GO. I can just give it to the Honorable Speaker. He can give it to all of you all. Okay, where all the land has been allotted. We can protect that land. We can make some Shadi Khanas. We can give for the burial. Sir, we have been successful, sir. So while the member of largest minority community in the state have been deprived and disposed of their land holdings through the abolition of Jagir, Zamindar, Inam, Enact and Urban Land Ceiling Act, sir. Sir, I have the list, sir. Sir, I have the list of all the details, sir, of the Waqf land, sir. Sir, Baba Sharfuddin Saab Pahadi, sir, 2001-31, sir. Shah Raja Hussain Khattali, Rahmatullah alayh, 580 acres. Muslim maternity, Jamaat-e-Islami, 450 acres, sir. Ashur Khan Ali Saad Maheshwaram, 490 acres. Jami Nizamiya Sri Lingampalli, sir, 500 acres. Dargah Hussain Shah Wali Manikunda Jagir, 1,900. Dargah Hussain Shah Wali Guntapalli village, 1,400 acres, sir. Dargah Hussain Shah Wali Raidurg, sir, again 38 acres, sir. Sir, Narsapur Mandal Medak, 100 acres, sir. मेदक का जितना टाउन है वो सारा का सारा इज वक्फ, सर. फुल मेदक टाउन, सर. बट वेयर, सर, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट कि जो बना हुआ है उसको तोड़ दो. नो सर, एटलीस्ट उनको किराएदार बना दो वक्फ बोर्ड के. मैं यही कह रहा हूं, वक्फ बोर्ड को कुछ पैसा आएगा, लेकिन वो भी नहीं होता. सर, आलूर विलेज, सर, आलूर विलेज, सर, आपको मालूम होगा सर, आलूर विलेज 1200 acres, sir. 1200, sir. Sir, I remember, sir, Rashekar Reddy Sahab had called me and he said, Akbar, let us do something about this Alur, sir. The then minister, Mr. Shabir Ali Sahab, was also there. So we were discussing whether we get we have a university there or we can have some development work there, sir. What is happening, sir? That 1,200 acres in Alur is also getting encroached, sir. And one fine day we are going to lose that land also, sir. Qutub Shahi Mosque graveyard, sir, situated at this women's college, Narayangoda, sir, 3,735 square yards, sir. Masjid Khushi Jahi, Bazarghat, Gun Foundry, Chanchalgoda jail, 30 acres, sir. Jail mein bhi 30 acre hai, sir, hamari. Sir, I'm just saying, and the list goes on, sir. The list goes on. So the reason, sir, I am bringing to your kind notice with this is that, sir, my only submission is that, sir, please protect the Waqf land, sir. Sir, we have been successful in demanding a CBCID inquiry against the Waqf grabbers and Waqf encroachers, sir. So the then Chief Minister KCR Saab ordered a CBCID inquiry. Initial inquiry has been done, sir. Through you, I request the government to kindly table the report of the inquiry, sir. और वो औखाफी जायदादों को तबाह बर्बाद करने वाले वो जिम्मेदार, वो लूटने वाले लुटेरों को आप हथकड़ी पहनाइए साहब, जेल में भी जाइए उनको. This is not my land, sir. I am not the owner, sir. The Almighty is the owner, sir. If it is endowment, none is the owner, Bhagwan is the owner of that land. We have to protect, sir. We have to protect it, sir. Sir, also about going further ahead and speaking on Dharani, sir, which has been named as Bhumata, I may recall, sir, in the Congress manifesto, sir, page number 28, it is clearly written, sir. It is clearly written over here. I do not want to read out everything, sir. It is clearly written, sir. Sir, they had promised that Honorable Minister Saab, in his statement, he started that criticizing the BRS government. Sir, आप भी तो वादा करे थे कि आने के 100 दिन में करेंगे. आप भी करे थे, sir. ठीक है, मैं मानता हूं कि असेंबली इलेक्शन के बाद इमीडिएटली पार्लियामेंट इलेक्शन आया. कम से कम अब 100 दिन में तो आप धरनी को सही करिए, ये इसको सही करिए. सर क्या है बताइए. So many people are losing the land. Sir, I'll read it. I'll read it for you. Sir, I'll read it, sir. I'll read it. Page number, sir, I'll read it, sir. Page number 28. Sir, 8. Land administration, sir. Dharani portal will be replaced, everything, transparency, ye, wo sab hai. The last sentence, land with clear ownership title added under the restricted category. Listen, sir. Now listen. Lands with clear ownership title added under the restricted category will be removed within 100 days of assuming power. Sir, I don't come just like that, sir. I do a research. I know it's your manifesto. 8 महीने बहुत बड़ा टाइम है आपके लिए, कहां से याद रखेंगे. मगर मुझे याद है, सर, मुझे याद है. भूल गए आपका ये मैनिफेस्टो. So that is why I say, please don't interrupt me. Sir, you interrupt and simply, उसके बाद आपको शर्मिंदा होना पड़ता है. सर 100 दिन में करेंगे, आपने वादा किया था. मैं कह रहा हूं कि नहीं हुआ है, आने वाले 100 दिन में कर दो. मगर आप बोल रहे नहीं हम वादा नहीं करे, तो मैं बता रहा हूं वादा है.
మీరు చెప్తోండ్రో షర్మిందా ఏదేముంది దీంట్లో. షర్మిందా ఏం లేదు, షర్మిందా ఏం లేదు. మీరు చెప్పారు, డెఫినెట్గా మేము చేయడం కోసం ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాం తప్ప దీంట్లో మేము షర్మిందా కావాల్సింది ఏం లేదు దీంట్లో. కరెక్ట్, ఎస్, విల్ డు దట్. అందుకోసం ఏదో పెట్టింది.
सर मैं हरगिज़ और खतई नहीं चाहूंगा कि मेरे दोस्त शर्मिंदा हो, क्योंकि वो मेरे दोस्त हैं, पुराने दोस्त हैं. मैं शर्मिंदा नहीं कर रहा हूं. अगर आप फख्र करना चाहते हैं 100 दिन में नहीं करे हैं, तो प्लीज टेक प्राइड इन दैट. इट्स नॉट माई प्रॉब्लम. यू कैन टेक एन प्राइड इन दैट, सर. आई डोंट वांट टू रीड इट आउट, सर. Sir, I don't want to read it out. If you want me to read it out, I'll read the entire thing, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir, page number 28. Dharani portal will be replaced with more transparent new Bhumata portal and undertake a comprehensive land survey based on which the land ownership rights will be allocated and provided a remedy to all those farmers who suffered due to Dharani portal. Will implement Koneru Ranga Rao Land Committee recommendations. Abhudhar card will be issued to every farmer after survey of each land holding in the state. Establishment of land commission for resolving land ownership issues and ensuring the land ownership rights are ensured to all landowners. Will provide ownership title to 25 lakh acre of land distributed to the poor under the land reforms undertaken by the Congress government. Congress party is committed to achieve conflict-free Telangana with respect to land ownership right by bringing a transparent new online portal in place of Dharani in the next 5 years. Land with clear ownership titles added under the restricted category will be removed within 100 days. I have read, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir. Sir, a land commission will be established for resolving land ownership issues and ensuring land ownership rights to all landowners. Land with clear ownership, as I said, in 100 days will be cleared. A card will be given. Koneru Ranga Rao Land Committee for 25 acres, sir. Sir, it is true that many farmers have faced issues for updating their land records on Dharani portal online and they are unable to get assistance under Raitu Bandhu and Raitu Bima. Sir, and I would say out of many reasons which I do not want to go, one of the major reasons for you coming to power and BRS losing the power is Dharani. It is a fact, sir. We have to accept this. Whether my friends from BRS, they also need to accept this. And you also need to accept this. Sir, they lost the elections, you have won the elections. You shouldn't lose the ground by continuing this. It's high time you need to do the necessary correction, sir. People are worried, sir. People want this Dharani to be changed. My only question and submission is change it fast. जो लोगों को नुकसान हो रहा है, सर, जिनको बी में डाल दिए आप, लाकर ये लोग डाले थे, वो आज भी बी में है, परेशान है. Sir, that is why I am saying, sir. Sir, they also face difficulties in selling their agricultural land and obtaining loans from banks, sir. Sir, there are many details, sir. I don't want to, sir. एक और एक दिन आप इस पे रखिए, sir. एक और एक दिन रखिए, sir. I have all the details. कौन कितनी जमीन किसके नाम पे रजिस्टर करा धरनी आने के बाद I'll give that details also, sir. और उस वक्त कई लोग शर्मिंदा हो जाएंगे जो आवाजें कर रहे हैं, खामोश बैठे. मैं ऐसी नहीं आता हूं, पूरी तैयारी से आता हूं. Sir, I stand and when I speak, sir, I make sure that I speak the truth. I make sure that I speak on fact and figures, sir. I speak with references, with evidence, sir. I do not just speak like that, sir. आप जरूर, मैं आपसे कहूंगा, सर, आप रखिए. हम सिर्फ इस पे बहस करेंगे. वो धरनी आने के बाद कितने लोगों ने बेनामी जमीन को अपने नाम पे कराया, वो भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे. So much of hanky-panky things have happened, sir. Please, sir, through you, I would request, sir, do the necessary correction as early as possible, sir. Sir, yes, you're right. Many farmers have also committed suicide because of that. Consequently, the farmers and other landowners filed their grievances with the district collectors and CCLA. Public representatives have made representations to the then government to readdress the issues of farmers. Dharani issues are partially resolved by the then government, but the farmers continue to face the hardships, sir. They still continue to face the hardships, sir. Sir, after the Congress came to the power, the government constituted a committee consisting of ministers, official experts to study the problem that arose due to Dharani and make recommendation for restructuring the portal, sir. The committee identified 123 issues, if I am wrong, I may be corrected, sir, that caused problems to the farmers and the landowners and the buyers. Sir, the committee found that the biggest lacuna in Dharani was that there was no appellate authority at the lower level. This is the major problem. Yes, we have to do that also, sir. Most of the problems on Dharani could be resolved at the mandal or revenue divisions level rather than the district collector who was entrusted with the responsibility. Already that has been done, sir. Even the Telangana, sir, even the Telangana High Court had pointed out the lapses in Dharani, sir. Even the High Court has pointed out, sir. The outcome budget on revenue register and relief for the year 24-25 points of the special drive was conducted by the district collector for disposal of pending Dharani applicants from 1st to 15th of March 2024. The committee on Dharani, among other things, recommended enactment of a comprehensive legislation governing land-related issues in place of the ROR Record Rights Act 2020, sir. Sir, ये करिए ना, sir, ये भी करना है. ये कब करेंगे बताइए? कब से हो रहा है? नहीं हो रहा है सर, ये जमाने से नहीं हो रहा है. बहुत बरस हो गए. BRS से पहले से भी नहीं हो रहा है सर ये. Sir, you should do it, sir. We have to do this, sir. So no rules were framed after the enactment of ROR Act for over years, sir, by the previous government, but the Congress government did not frame such rules, and I hope that the rules will be framed, sir. So the ROR Act 2020 also does not provide any opportunity to landowners to appeal in case of dispute or wrong entry in Pattadar passbook, sir. Sir, hence the committee had recommended constituting revenue tribunals for redressal of land-related problems, sir. Sir, as on now, Dharani portal has 10 information modules and 35 transaction modules. The Revenue Minister Sahab had mentioned that 18.37 lakh acre of land pertaining to 11.62 lakh khatas are put in the Part B prohibition list in the Dharani portal, sir. It is very sad, sir. For this reason, the farmers who were cultivating the land, but their land is kept in Part B, were not issued new Pattadar passbook and deprived of all the benefits. And there are many people who are trying to take this land and register this land in their name, sir. Sir, about 20 lakhs applications are filled till now for correction of Dharani entries. The Revenue Minister has pointed out several shortcomings in the ROR Act, sir. Also 9 lakh applications for regularization of unregistered sale covering to an extent of 10 lakh Sada Bainami by the small and marginal farmers are pending for clearance. So when are we going to clear this, sir? As there was no legal provision in ROR Act 2020 for regularization of Sada Bainami, the Telangana High Court had stayed the regulation process, sir. That is why I am saying we have to have the regulation. This is why it is very important, sir. So moreover, the BRS government has abolished the post of village revenue officers and village revenue assistants and sent them to other departments, thereby creating a vacuum in the land administration at the village level, sir. VRO to hai nahi, sir. We have to do the correction, sir. The Revenue Minister Sahab had announced that a new ROR Act will be enacted in 24, and we welcome this move, sir. I hope that the new Act has provisions to overcome all the shortcomings that had crept into existing ROR Act of 2020, sir. I also request the government to ensure that all the pending Part B application numbering over 3 lakhs will be disposed by conducting another special drive, sir. And lastly, sir, मैं आपके जरिए फिर से हुकूमत से मुतालबा करूंगा कि औकाफी जायदादों का तहफ़्फ़ुज़ करिए. सर, ये धरनी के नाम पर डिस्प्यूट भी जो है उसको भी बी में डाले. लेकिन सर, प्लीज चेक, देयर इज अ डिस्प्यूट बिटवीन वक्फ एंड अ गवर्नमेंट, and in Dharani portal, sir, it has not been included in Part B, but they have clearly mentioned it as a government land, sir. When the matter is sub judice, sir. Why, sir? Sir, and lastly, sir, my only submission is that a second survey, sir, ये इसमें क्या करें sir ये लोग? Like, sir, my grandfather gave a land to my father. My father gave a land to all brothers. Out of all brothers, one brother has a dispute. So what they did, sir, they included the entire extent of land in B, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, my other brothers are not having any dispute. My dispute was just with me. Already मेरा नाम अलग हो गया, मेरे भाइयों का, मेरे बहन का नाम अलग हो गया. I'm giving an example. तो ये ऐसी साहब ऐसा ही गवर्नमेंट क्लेम कर रही है कि दिस लैंड बिलोंग्स टू गवर्नमेंट. वक्फ बोर्ड इज सेइंग दिस लैंड बिलोंग्स टू वक्फ. सो देयर इज अ डिस्प्यूट. तो इसमें क्या करना था सर? दे शुड हैव इंक्लूडेड दिस एज अ डिस्प्यूटेड इन पार्ट बी, और उसमें आप लिखना था मैटर इज सब जुडिस गवर्नमेंट ऑब्लिक वक्फ. मगर ये लोग नहीं लिखे सर, इसको गवर्नमेंट लैंड लिख दिए. सो दिस इज वेयर द वक्फ बोर्ड इज लूजिंग, सर. Sir, second survey was conducted, sir, and सेकेंड सर्वे में thousands of work properties were identified. Sir, I have been requesting for when Mr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy Saab was the Chief Minister, under my representation, Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy Saab had ordered for a second work survey, sir. Second work survey was conducted on the representation and demand of MIM by the then Congress, sir. और उसके बाद में 5 बरस कांग्रेस रही, खैर वहां आंध्र प्रदेश टूट रहा था, तेलंगाना बन रहा था, कई मसाइल थे, नहीं हुआ सर. अप टिल डेट द सेकेंड सर्वे की जो फाइंडिंग्स है उसको रिकंसाइल नहीं किया गया और उसका आइडेंटिफाई नहीं किया गया, उसका गजीट नहीं दिया, नोटिफिकेशन नहीं दिया, और वो लैंड पूरा जा रहा है सर. ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन 30